eventually figure out how these go together. It does come with a pen. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love that vintage looking color. I love the way this thing is built. Like, it looks like it's from the 50s. I mean, like, look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, it's like a printer, standard printer cable. Ooh, nice touch with Velcro. So this is our power. Okay. Oh, this is really cute, actually. It's like little steps. I love that. Okay. I feel like everything that comes with these is like so premium. Okay, so there is an online guide. So which one does this come with? Okay, so it's like the fine point. So this is what it came with. It came with this light grip mat. I didn't know it came with a mat, and so I bought the standard grip mat when I was at the store. All right, let's plug it in. Oh, I'm guessing, yeah. I'm just gonna plug these in. And I hope it's okay to just turn it on its face like this. We'll find out. So this needs to be, what, plugged directly into a computer? Oh. Okay. Just drop that down. Okay, got power. Now what do we do? Get connected. Oh, I have to set it up. Okay. Can I turn it on at least? I just want to see it open. Maybe that wasn't a good idea. Okay, I don't think it's gonna open right now. I'm just gonna turn that off. I really thought it would just open on its own, like, without me having to set it up. Did I break it? And then, like, when I was buying it, the woman at the checkout was like, oh, by the way, if there's anything wrong with it, you have to call Cricut. And I was like, that's a weird thing to say. Sweet. So then, like, the pen will go here. Oh, it, like, moved down. So, like, you would take this out and, like, I'm not gonna do it though. I'm scared. I don't know what I'm doing. It says open clamp B and remove blade housing. Hard to do with long nails. Okay. That blade is tiny. I hope that's focusing. I have no idea if it is. Got it. Open clamp A. Remove cap from pen. Hold clamp A up with fingers while pushing pen down into clamp until arrow pen disappears. Wow. We are going to hold this up and then it said push. Oh, okay. Okay, we're not ready for this yet. I have to go set up the actual Cricut. How do I get this out? Oh, Jesus. Okay, well, I don't know if that's how that's supposed to work. I'm just gonna leave you where you are. Got these cool compartments. You can store stuff in here. I don't have that much stuff yet, but oh. Well, maybe I have to close that one first. Got it. Let's see if I can get one of these off one-handed. Yeah. It worked.